We're tackling a problem I think we can all relate to: smelly fridges.
Ah, yes, the dreaded fridge funk.
Exactly. We've gotten so many messages from you all about this new deodorizer that's hit the market, and it's got us wondering too.
Lots of big promises, lots of sciencey terms thrown around.
Advanced catalytic decomposition technology, nanoscale catalysts, CH cut filter. Honestly, it's a bit much.
Definitely. So let's unpack this a bit, shall we?
Absolutely. Where do we even start with something like catalytic decomposition?
Right. Well, in the simplest terms, imagine a catalyst like a tiny odor eating machine. It basically speeds up the process of breaking down those stinky molecules that are floating around in your fridge.
So it's not just masking the smell, it's actually like neutralizing it.
Exactly. Instead of just covering up bad smells with a stronger scent, this aims to actually get rid of them.
Okay, that makes sense. Exactly. And speaking of, let us know what you think. Have you tried this new deodorizer?
Thanks for listening to In-Depth Reviews. If you're interested in today's product, you can find the Amazon link in the description. See you in the next episode.